What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I did. And happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I hope y'all did your sweethearts well. So, today we got that cool 65, I think. It is a Chevy truck. It's just not licensed, so there's no Chevy emblem on it. And it doesn't say Chevrolet on the back, but I'm going to make it say Chevrolet on the back, and I'm going to put a Chevy emblem on it. So, it's a solid axle. You got Fury tires, KG140, LED lights installed, powered by Hobby Wing, Savix, I believe that's the servo. Nope. And this is the chassis. Not showing a whole lot. Long chassis here. I don't have all the parts I want with this. I'm going to be hitting up 110 Rod Shop, because I'm going to lower it. What color is that? It's all coming in. We got here a couple tools, new stickers, of course. These I want to see. Oh, forgot to turn on the light. Give me 1 second, fellas. There we go. From Sin Racing. Got all kinds of stuff in here. The manual, of course. Yeah. Put this up in here. Booyah! Yes, the titanium. Bet. There's a remote. This kind of reminds me of an MST remote. Let's get this bad boy unwrapped. open. Considerably a darker gray. I think this thing is awesome, man. Definitely needs an interior. Somebody might be working on one right now. '66 four-door Chevy dually. It's pretty long. Got my kids in there having fun.
And at PetSmart, earn $10 in savings when you spend $60 on Royal Canin dog food. PetSmart, anything for pets.
Yeah. Yep, needs some Chevrolet stuff on it to enhance it. Those dualies are pretty big. Almost as big as the COE haulers. And my Kyosho 66 pickup, it's actually got tail lights and backup lights. I think all this has is just headlights. I'm gonna have to do something about that too. Let's look under the hood. This is pretty nice. I like it. Got oil-filled shocks. Whoa! It's shot like a bullet. Okay. I'll look for that other pin later. More plugged in. Lights. Black and red, black and red. Man, it's long. So 110 Rod Shop has a lowering kit. I think is probably the whole chassis. And that's what I want, and a different set of wheels. These might look good on the COE, but no. Not too much left and right articulation. No articulation. I would say if we was to take those off, it would probably have all that. And the front. Uh, 17,000 RPM, RS 550S. Torque motor. On off switch. Seems to be waterproof, but not if that's open. Oh, I like it. It's gonna pull some trucks. See what we got for a trailer hitch. Well, we got an insert. One, two, three, four, 5. Got a little bit of weight to it. Yeah, it's pretty long. Can't wait to get it hooked up with that 110 rod shop lowering kit and those shredder wheels. See how hard it is to get these pins back in here. It's kind of difficult coming off. I'm going to scratch that nice dark gray metallic paint. What do you guys think? I think this truck is badass. Not too much steering. It's like limited. Alright, my friends. Sicario. Drop me a comment. Hit that like button, guys. Talk at you guys later.